We are now on our way to Sabang, kung saan mag-underground river kami. But for now, huminto kami dito sa somewhere. Kasi tulo ko yung break ni Kuyang driver. So, ayan, nagpa-rescue muna siya. Then, huminto muna kami dito. And we just took our coffee. Okay, so andito na kami sa port, Sabang Port. And kakain muna kami ng aming early lunch. And andito kami. And si Samu, nagpipicture, kumukuha ng video. Ako din, kumukuha ng video.
Guys, look to your right side po. Kaway-kaway, kunyari masaya kayo. Last picture.
Done with our underground river tour. Yeah, so looks like Sam has enjoyed it, and he laughed a lot dun sa mga jokes ng ng bangkero. He didn't laugh out loud, syempre kasi bawal. Silence, dapat silence sa loob ng cave. So yun, pero natatawa siya sa mga hirit ng bangkero. Yun. He's looking for monkeys. He saw one monkey earlier. Stop.
Did you get scared?
Stop it. Yeah.
Why?
Because
You did go to video?
yeah.
Okay, good.
I didn't know you will do it. Hi. So, drop off kami ng van doon dito sa Salvacion, and dito namin hintayin yung van namin going to El Nido. And yan, dito kami sa may parang karinderya. And ito yung view na nasa likod. Sa likod ng karinderya. Ayan. We are currently here at El Nido na, and we just checked in. It's around 7:40 PM na. We just checked in dito sa aming lodge inn sa El Bimbo Travelers Inn, and it's 1,000 per night, by the way. And it's medyo maliit yung room, pero dalawa na naman kami ni Samu. Actually, hindi ko na kayo i-room tour, pero ayan, i-room tour ko na. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, ayun, nandyan yung toilet yan. So, it's not that small. Sabi ni Samu, it's not that small. It's just cozy. And, yeah. Anyway, yeah. We're supposed to be ano pa tomorrow kasi inisip ko yung una kong plan is to leave Puerto Princesa around 10 PM para makarating kami dito ng madaling araw. But dumiretso from the underground river, dumiretso na kami dun sa Salvacion, drop off kami dun. Tapos dun na kami, sinundo ng van pa El Nido. So, okay na din para pagdating dito, tulog na. Kasi pag 3 AM alanganin, matutulog ka, konting oras, tapos, diba, tour. So, at least ito, okay siya. Gatong oras. So, lalabas kami ngayon at kakain, dinner. Then, tomorrow, island hopping. Kinuha namin yung El Nido Tour A, which is the, bukas ko nasasabi ko anong tour yun. So, yeah. That's it. That's for our day 2.